the rank and nullity of the linear transformation T defined from R square to R cube are respectively for options given to us. T linear transformation defined from R square to R cube, and this is finite dimensional vector space. So, if a linear transformation defined on a finite dimensional vector space, remember one thing, it will be both 1 1 and on 2 together or not, otherwise not 1 1 and on 2 together. If this linear transformation is 1 1, then obviously this will be onto. If this linear transformation is not any one, not 1 1 or not onto, then other one will also be not true. To find rank, you can have many techniques to find rank. Write a matrix representation of this linear transformation, or you can find with the null space. If you consider element xy belongs to NT, then T of x comma y equals to 0, and T of x comma y means x plus y, x minus y, and y equals to 0, 0 of the correct size. It means 0, 0, 0. By the equality of order pair, we have x plus y equals to 0, x minus y equals to 0, and y equals to 0. Write matrix, this is the system of homogeneous equation. So, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 and 1. Apply elementary row operation. So, after applying elementary row operation, this one is first pivot element and you can make this one as 0. So, second pivot element will be this one. There are two pivot element, it means number of free variable. Number of free variable is 1. Number of free variable, sorry, there are only two variable because coming from R square. So, no free variable, no free variable, it means nullity is 0, and using rank nullity theorem, rank is 2, and we know that rank plus nullity equals to dimension of vector space, domain vector space V, dimension of R square. So, you using this information, we can take option A is right one. So, this is one technique, and other technique you can use using these constituents x plus y, x minus y and y, write, because this is the range space. Every element of the range space can be generated using these constituents. So, write these constituents using basis element of R cube, because this is the element of codomain. That is why I am saying write this element in linear combination of R cube and try to form matrix. As in earlier very beginning of this video I said, write the matrix or matrix representation of this linear transformation, and you can easily find the rank.